shows fighting a dust bunny. There's more dust bunnies under there, Cleo, is there? Is there more under there? My God, you're freaking out, kid. What's the story with that? There it is, there's a dust bunny, she was fighting. She's got one attached to her paw now. Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? That's the fridge, yes. You know you love the fridge. That's where the food's kept, yes. What's with these dust bunnies though? Are they attacking you? Look, you're covered in dust. You're covered in crap. In a sense, inanimate, love. You're a gag. See this up close, this dust bunny. Look at this. Look. Look at there. That's what she's fighting. You're insane. You're just insane. I haven't given you any catnip today either. I think that's what's wrong. You know what's in the cupboard above you, don't you? I'll have to get you some. Let's see. Let's see. Where is it? Where is it? Where's the grass? Where's the cat grass? Oh, somebody's hidden it. There's none. You just have to content yourself with dust bunnies. Yeah, it looks like you are pretty content with that one. Have you killed it yet? Oh, Cleo, you're so silly. You're just so silly. Aren't you? What? You sneezed there, kid. That's because you're snorting dust bunnies. Where would you get it? Where would you get it? Hmm? Come on out of that corner. This. Cleo, you're stupid. Movie star. Movie star. Hey. Hey. What are you doing? What are you doing? Where's my baby, eh? Where's my big baby bear? Look at you covered in rubbish. Covered in that rubbish. Cool cat. Meow. Who's in there? Where's the mice? Where's the mice? Where's the mice? I think there's a wee mouse in there. There's a wee mouse in the corner.